Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to check the battery usage on this device. Simply go to your settings page, tap on the option battery. So here you can see the battery usage of today. If you tap on this one, you can see the date, you can select the date, and here you can see the battery usage. Okay. It is only 3%, 13, 6%. If you scroll down, here you can see the apps are using the most battery. Here you can see. So simply in this way we can check the battery usage on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.